can actually see over the waterfall. Whoa, this water is so cold.
All I see are clouds on my head. Dark clouds and clouds.
This is the start of a beautiful adventure.
The city sleeps and slumbers while the summer settles under.
Our plan is to beat all these other people into some way. Because there's a rock slide, and that road's closed, and the only other ways into Yosemite are 150 kilometers some other direction. Everyone is running from this rock slide.
Blue sky, it's a dark sky.
Just arrived in Yosemite. We beat the rock slide, 2-hour detour. Now we're here. We're in a lottery system to get one of the canceled reservations for a campsite. And we're packing up, getting on our big socks, and getting ready to hike up the mountain.
Okay, and then I'll go over the rules with you.
Okay.
The food storage, as you know, is very important. We've had some bears break into the housing areas here, so anything with a scent has to go in that food locker.
That is a postcard. Here, capture this photo. We're making this a postcard. Can you see all that?
Well, you don't have to do it. Can you turn around?
This is a powerful river.
Going at 5,000 miles per hour as we speak. If you drop a baby in there, shreds.
We're at the base of the Mist Trail. We're off to a late start. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and we got started at 6 a.m. this morning. We're hoping we can make it back before dark. Scenery is pretty average, you know, big mountains and waterfalls everywhere. Let's go do this.
Do it!
Let's do it. We met a guy that said he could do this in 4 hours. It's 1:34. Let's see how fast we can go. That is mighty powerful. This is when I become cognizant of not slipping off the edge. There is nothing to hold on to. With the mist off these falls, we definitely won't be dry for long.
Yeah.
All I hear
Now we're wet.
is stars can shout so loud, but if what I'll never know.
Mist falls.
Wanna cry from the sunlight on the moonlight.
Oh, there's a puff of wind and there's a girl walking by me. And she probably like swayed like 6 inches toward me just because like the wind caught us. 46 minutes. So we just passed the misty part of the falls. We're headed to the top.
I like the story to come. Like the people coming down aren't wet.
It's a dark sky night.
A little shaky. Now we're kind of tricky. I'm not scared of heights, I'm scared of falling, so you're pushing me. Top of the Mist Trail, bottom of the Half Jump Trail. Is the photo worth dying for? Hell no. Are you going all the way to the edge? Yeah. You can actually see over the waterfall.
All I hear is stars can shout so loud, but if what I'll never know.
This is a photo worth dying for? Hell no. Are you going all the way to the edge? Yeah. You can actually see over the waterfall. Respect the river. Let's go. Let's go up there. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're not feeding the squirrels.
He's really cute though.
Hello. Just made some friends from Berkeley. They're amateur hikers. We are leading the way. Oh man, I'm slipping. There were two founders to Slip and Slide. One slipped, the other one started a company. Now that we made it to the top of the Mist Falls, we're going to the top of the next waterfall. It's 1.3 miles. Then we're gonna have to backtrack and do another 3 miles to get back to Yosemite Valley. Yeah, it's like thunder and lightning right now.
Whoa!
Oh, we heard thunder. We saw some thunder heads over yeah, go get some sleep.
Thanks, bye guys! Yes! Thunderstorm! Woo!
Those guys just hiked Half Dome. They woke up at 3 a.m. and they're on hour 13. The thunderstorm is rolling in, so we're trying to decide whether or not we keep going to the top or if we turn around.
Turn around, dude.
We're gonna do another 2.7 miles to the bottom and do it another day.
We went sailing across the Chesapeake Bay.
But that's when we were halfway across the started.
I just want to see lightning strike the falls. That would be really cool.
I don't need a high-speed camera. We can just...
Thunder is rolling in. Gina wants to see lightning strike the falls.
Do.
This should be the name of a band.
Lightning strikes the falls.
basement refrigerator.
I just think that'd be a cool. We're headed back to San Francisco and we're gonna get to work on our cover art. It's getting really dark and there's definitely thunder rolling in. That's where we took our waterfall selfie. They removed the diving board from this position because the mortality rate was too high. Some serious thunder rolling in.
I met you first, so it happens. Sliding out in field.
About a mile to go. The thunder and lightning are getting pretty crazy around here. Although the rain really hasn't started to come through the trees yet. We're hiking back as fast as we can. And we're going to prepare for an interesting night in our tent. It's so dark.
Alright.
We're not the only ones who want off this mountain. This whole trail only took 3 hours. We're doing Half Dome, we're hiking for 10 more hours. This is amazing. Big rock? Bigger rock. It's a big rock. Guys, it's 4:33. Our hike just took 2 hours and 57 minutes. We met a number of cool folk along the trail. The sun started to go behind the clouds as the thunder rolled in, but we made it back down to the river. Now we just have a nice leisurely stroll back to our car and we're going to settle in for the evening.
I really thought you had a bug on you. I was going to be like, wham!
Two streams diverged in a redwood. And I took neither because I didn't want to drown. Inviting beach or sands of doom.
Bye, Half Dome.